In this video, I'm going to point you towards citation tools and guides. You can discover resources for citation on the Health Professions Education for Doctoral Students Research Guide. To locate the guide, click on Research Guides, Subject, and Health Professions Education. Find your way to the Writing and Citing tab. Here you will discover links to style guides on APA and other online citation tools to create and manage your bibliography. The Writing Center can assist you with structuring your paper and grammar. Click on the link for the Citation Manager's Guide. It's best to get started with managing your references as early in your research process as possible. A citation manager such as Zotero will help you save references to articles as you search the databases. The library supports both Zotero and EndNote. However, if you have a preference for using Google Docs over Microsoft Word, you'll want to choose Zotero for its amazing browsing plugins. To best assist you with getting comfortable with using a citation manager, I created a tutorial series dedicated to answering the most frequently asked questions by students. These quick tutorials will show you how to get started with Zotero, save references, create in-text citations as you write your paper, and how to create a bibliography. Remember that no online citation generator, including citation managers, is 100% accurate. Be sure to check your citations and reference our style guides to make sure that they are correct. Finally, if you have any questions at any point during your research, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to set up a research appointment with you at your convenience and help you get on track for success. I hope to see you soon, and good luck with your research.